Your Galaxy phone didn't suddenly become slow. It just collected invisible weight over time. Background processes, animations, storage clutter. None of it is obvious, but all of it quietly slows your device down. The good news? You can fix most of it in just a few minutes using built-in settings. No apps, no reset, just simple tweaks that actually work. Step 1. Make your phone feel instantly faster. Animation trick. Let's start with something you can actually feel right away. Your phone has built-in animations every time you open an app, switch screens, or close something. They look nice, but they also slow things down slightly. To fix this, go into Settings, scroll down and open About Phone, then tap Software Information. Now tap Build number 7 times until Developer Mode is activated. Go back to Settings and open Developer Options. Scroll until you find 3 settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Set them to 0.5x or simply turn them off. Once you do this, your phone won't waste time on fancy effects anymore. It will feel much more direct, snappy, and responsive. Step 2. Clean up storage. Hidden performance fix most people ignore. Over time, phones collect junk files, unused apps, and hidden cache data. This quietly slows everything down. Go back to the Settings menu, then open the Device Care page where you can open the storage and take a moment to clean things properly. Focus on removing cached and temporary files, apps you no longer use, large or duplicate photos and videos. Try to keep at least 15 to 20% free storage, because when storage gets too full, your phone starts lagging without warning. Step 3. Deep System Cleanup. Secret Samsung tool. Samsung devices also have a hidden diagnostic menu that stores temporary system logs. These files are not harmful, but over time they can build up. Open your phone dialer and enter the hidden system code. Once the menu opens, look for an option like Delete Dump State or Logcat and confirm it. Done. Your phone should feel faster now. Thanks for watching.